I need to get me an HD camera. It's a video recorder. So I can tape an old school. I've got my eye on you. Looks like that other one's wrapped over there, so this could be any moment. I'm not seeing that other one anymore. We're ready for the finale. Whoa, dude. Jeff's
yeah.
There he goes. I know that dude. What was that? Thunder?
Sounds like it, but could be fireworks somewhere else, maybe.
Troops see this in Kuwait all the time.
Yeah.
Send this video to Brian. Hey Brian, are you watching this fireworks show? This one's for you, buddy. Whoa. Coffeyville probably doesn't have fireworks. So we're going to tape this for you. Whoa, look at that, Brian. Oh, mo. Look who I have with me. That's right, Brett's here. You want to say anything to Brian?
Hi Brian, happy 4th of July.
There you go. Can't argue with that.
Yeah. Couldn't have said it better myself.
Exactly. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I hear a little rumbling in my tushy. This thing better hurry up and end or I'm going to have my own firework display. I'm Mike Baker from KBPI, and we are broadcasting live from, what's this place called again? Aspenwood Apartments, that's right. And Brian, this one's going out for you. This one's for you, wherever you are. It's Alan Michaels. Hi Brian, it's me. How you doing? Just wanted to wish you a nice 4th of July. Enjoying the fireworks? Come on, keep looking at the fireworks. Ooh, pretty purple and pink. Whoa! Oh no. Oh, I hear kids. Ow! Shh! Now wake up the neighborhood.
Quiet people trying to sleep.
Yeah. Whoa. That's what it sounded like after I ate those refried beans last night. Poof! Yeah. That was spectacular! Oh boy. Alright, well that was it, Brian. That's all you get. Till next year. You don't have anything in here, do you?
Nope. Maybe this beer bottle.
Oh, thanks. Appreciate that. Oh, it's very dark in here. Oh, there we go.
Alright.
Alright, well yeah, you better get on out of here.
Or you can have the traffic jam.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right.
See you later.
I will talk to you later. Good night.
Good night.
All right, Brian, there you go. Little fireworks show for you. And now I'm getting ready to go into a very special place. Well, I'll turn this off now. I've got to do my own fireworks show. Anyway, happy 4th of July, Brian. Whoa! Ladies!